All right, friends, welcome to my video that's going to show you how to make a fortune teller. So first of all, we're going to start with a white piece of paper. Printer paper is what I have, so if you have something else similar, that will be great. I would not make this out of construction paper. The paper will be too thick. You need a thinner piece of paper, but not too thin. So you're going to start by folding over one side of the paper down to the other side. Right here, I have two edges of the paper matched up and I'm making a crease. And then I'm going to open that back up and show you again. So whole piece of paper, fold down the corner, draw a line down there where that edge of paper is. And then when you pick this paper up and cut on that line, what you'll be left with is a perfect square if you did everything right. So cut off that extra strip, don't need it, get rid of it. Now you have a square. So you have it folded one way, now you're going to fold it the other way. So match the other corners and make a crease. Now that you have it folded corner to corner both ways, you're going to pick it up and flip it over. So you have a nice X fold there. Now you're going to do hamburger folds. So you're going to match edge to edge, crease it, open it, turn it a little bit, and then fold it the other way, edge to edge. Fold it down and crease it, and then open it up. Now you have lovely folds. Flip it over one more time. And now you're going to fold all the corners into the middle. And since you made all those nice folds on your pieces of paper, you have lines to match, kind of like guides. So fold your corners into the middle of the paper, and this is going to start to look like an envelope now. I don't know if you guys have ever looked at envelopes, but that's kind of what they look like. So you have all the corners folded in, flip it over, and repeat that process. You're going to fold the corners in again. All the way around, fold the corners in. Last one, fold in the corner in. Now, this is where you're going to start the designing process. There's an outside and an inside to this. This is the inside. I'm going to go around and write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the inside here, underneath the numbers, is where you're going to have your secret messages. This side now is the outside, and on the outside you're going to want to make 4 colors. I'm just coloring dots. You can color the whole section like a square if you want. I'm just going to put dots on there to color so people can pick colors. So I have my 4 different colors down so people can pick the colors when we do the fortune teller activity together. I'm going to flip it back over to the inside. Now I need to write my secret messages in here. So I'm going to fold this quick though. Fold it in half, hamburger fold, poke my finger in the middle, and squish all 4 corners together. So this is the basic shape I need. And then when I turn it upside down, I can peel open the flaps so that I can stick my fingers inside there and make the fortune teller go. See? Open, 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 open. See? Now I'm doing it. Yay! Now I just have to go back in and write all my secret messages. So I'm going to open it back up, lay it flat, and I have my 1, 2 flap. I'm going to draw a line down the middle so I can draw a message underneath the number 1 and a message underneath the number 2. So underneath the number 1, I'm going to write, have a great day. Yay! So that's my message for underneath number 1, right there. And I need to repeat that process underneath every single number. So I'm going to have to go back and write more messages in. All I did was number 1 right here. So I'm going to fold it back up, peel open my flaps again. And away we go. So remember, you have to go back in and write down messages underneath every number. When you open up your number flaps, remember to divide them in half because you have 2 sides. Remember my 1, 2 side? there's a message underneath the number 1, and there's going to be a message underneath the number 2. You have to go back and write messages underneath number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when the person chooses their number, you can read them their fortune that's under their number. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and go make your fortune teller and have fun with your friends.